Ready to ditch fast fashion and unleash your inner designer. First, grab that plaid shirt destined for donation and give it a second life. Assess its condition. Are there any rips or stains you need to avoid? Grab your tool, scissors, seam ripper, measuring tape, pins, and a sewing machine if you have one. For a super simple tote bag, carefully use your seam ripper to detach both sleeves from the shirt. Try to maintain the factory seam as much as possible. This will leave you with the front and back panels to work with. Next, turn the shirt inside out. Pin the bottom edge closed, matching the seams as accurately as possible. This will form the bottom of your tote bag. Now, using a sewing machine or hand stitching, sew along the pinned bottom edge. Reinforce the seam by backstitching at the beginning and end. For handles, use the sleeves you detached earlier. Cut open the sleeves and sew the long sides together. Fold in each end of the sewn sleeve and sew down each end, creating a handle. Then, sew the ends of your handles to the top portion of the bag. You now have a stylish and sustainable tote bag. But the possibilities don't end there. Use the fabric to create a rustic pillow cover, craft a cool vest, or add patches to your jeans for a pop of plaid. Don't be afraid to experiment and get creative. Share your upcycled creations with us using hashtag UPCYCLEDFashion and hashtag Plaid REFASHION. Let's inspire others to reduce textile waste and embrace sustainable style.